How to delete pages from PDF. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to our channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can delete pages from PDF. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So in your device, open up any of your preferred browser. After that, head towards the search bar, and in the search bar all you have to type in PDF page remover and search for it. Once you land on multiple search results, head towards the first link on your interface and click on it. Now once you land on this website, which is free, here you can remove your PDF pages. Here click on select PDF file. Now from your device you have to select the PDF file from where you want to remove the pages. Here I have my PDF file, then click on open. There you'll be able to find all the pages of your PDF. Head over to your right hand side, and there you can type in the page number that you want to remove. For example, I want to remove the page 4. So type in 4. After that, click on remove pages button. Wait for a while, and now the pages have been removed. Now you can download your PDF file with the removed page. And that's the way to delete pages in PDF file. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.